Detailed factorization of x cubed minus y cubed and x cubed plus y cubed. X cubed minus y cubed can be rewritten as x minus y x squared plus y squared. We multiply this out, we have x times x squared x cubed, x times y squared plus, that would be plus x y squared minus y times x squared will be minus x squared y minus y times y squared will be minus y to the power 3, which is y cubed. Then we rearrange this equation. We have x minus y x squared plus y squared equals x cubed. We are rearranging the equation minus y cubed minus x squared y plus xy squared. As we can see, this is the original equation. So we leave it at one side and take the other equation to the other side. We have x minus y x squared plus y squared minus x squared y will become plus x squared y. Then plus xy squared will become minus xy squared, because we are taking them to the left side of the equation, equals x cubed minus y cubed. So we rearrange the equation here. We have x cubed minus y cubed equals, I'm just changing the side, x minus y x squared plus y squared plus x squared y minus xy squared have a common factor of xy. So we factor xy out. Xy. Then we are left here with x, 1x. We are left here with minus y. As we can see, we have minus y here, we have minus y here. That means on both sides of the equation, we have a common factor of x minus y. So we'll be factoring out the x minus y. So this gives us x cubed minus y cubed equals, we factor out x minus y. Then we are left with x squared plus y squared plus xy. So this is the detailed factorization. So we can just rearrange this equation here. Then our final solution will be x cubed minus y cubed equals x minus y. Then we have x squared. We are just rearranging plus xy plus y squared. This is the detailed factorization of x cubed minus y cubed. So we now go to x cubed plus y cubed. X cubed plus y cubed can be rewritten as x squared plus y squared. We multiply this out, we have x times x squared will be x cubed. X times y squared will be plus xy squared. Y times x squared will be plus x squared y. Then y times square will be plus y cubed. We rearrange this equation. We have x plus y x squared plus y squared. We are rearranging the equation. We now have x cubed x cube plus y cube plus x square y plus xy square. And this x cube plus y cube is the original equation. So we move it to one side of the equation and the rest of the equation to the other side. So we have x plus y, x square plus y square. X square y will become minus x square y because we are moving to the left side, minus xy square equals x cube plus y cube. So this become x cube plus y cube equals x plus y, x square plus y square minus x square y and minus xy square have a common factor of minus xy. So we factor the minus xy out. So what we have left is x plus, it has to be a positive sign because of the negative sign outside the bracket. We now have minus xy bracket x plus y. We see here we have x plus y, x plus y. So we have x plus y as a common factor here. So we're going to factor out the x plus y and we'll have x cube plus y cube x plus y x square plus y square minus xy. So this is the detailed factorization of x cube plus y cube. We can just rearrange and this will give us x cube plus y cube equals x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. That is it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.